Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 23 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you 30 days worth of content ideas to help you generate leads for your business. Now, if this is the first video you've come across, I got your back. Click the link in the description to access a playlist. This playlist should contain 30 videos. Just go from video 1 all the way to the end and watch the video, and most importantly, take action. Create the same video for your business. Now, if you are interested in learning from my millionaire mentor, getting coaching every single week and learning her secret step-by-step blueprint, stick around to the very end because I have an exciting bonus for you, okay? Now, if you are new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children based here in Dublin, Ireland, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I'm actually studying for my degree in business marketing, going on to my 2nd year now. And back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was broke all the time, and I was sick and tired of living from paycheck to paycheck. At the time, I was dabbling online. I had this shiny object syndrome. Type shiny in the comments if you can relate to this, where you're jumping from program to program. You name it, I've done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, even creating my own program. And I always felt like I had an expensive hobby. I was earning more. I was spending more online than I was actually earning, right? So if you have an expensive hobby, type hobby in the comments because I can relate. So back in August 2024, I came across the 6-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6, she has 6 children and 5 grandchildren, went from 0 experience, 0 technical skills, 0 following, to actually earning over $1 million in just 17 months. She found herself absolutely just blown away. She was like, how did I get here? And she looked back and seeing she looked back at the pattern, at the income producing activities that she was doing on a daily basis that helped her get to where she was. So what she did was she put together a step-by-step proven blueprint that anybody can use to actually go from 0 following, 0 experience, no technical skills, to earning 6 figures. So she's on a mission to help. At first, she was on a mission to help 100 people earn 6 figures. She's made 42 in the USA earn 6 figures. 12 South African become millionaires in rands. And she's actually helped 1 millionaire in the USA. So she upped her game and she's like, I'm going to help 1,000 self-made millionaires, okay? So 1,000 6-figure earners, right? That's the mission she's on. So this is what I'm going to share with you, because part of this program, I get access to a 30-day blueprint, right? So all these ideas of content, of videos I'm creating, I'm not having to figure them out, what I'm going to say. No, I'm literally just going to the blueprint and following what she says to do on that day, okay? So today I'm going to share my success, right, in this 30-day, in this 6-figure step-by-step blueprint. First and foremost, I want to share with you what I'm learning, okay? I'm actually learning to build my brand, okay? So you can see here, Partner with Angela, that's my brand. I'm learning to brand myself and not brand companies and leaders. I'm branding myself. I'm actually learning to build my email list, right? To build my own email list. And I'm using the discovery method to actually use attraction marketing to drive. I've actually learned to turn my social media platforms into stores and using attraction marketing to drive my target audience from those stores to my automated marketing machine. By the way, I've learned to identify who my target audience is and to create content that will actually engage my target audience, get them interested in what I have to offer, right? So I'm also learning how to activate multiple income streams, okay, which is very, very powerful. But what I love most about this program is that even though I only paid once, it's a one-time payment, there's no monthly subscriptions, I'm actually getting weekly access to 6- and 7-figure earners who I'm getting live interactive coaching and mentorship sessions, which reminds me of just like my college that I'm at, right? I show up, my lectures give me information, but we also interact with them, and sometimes they put us in groups and to do some teamwork, right? Exact same experience. I love the fact that every week I have access to 6- and 7-figure earners who have used the system to actually earn those 6 and 7 figures, and who are sharing with us exactly what they're doing. And they allow us to unmute ourselves, ask any questions, and coach us live, okay? Very, very powerful. I love the fact that I'm getting paid 100% commissions, paid instantly and directly to me. So speaking of commissions, let me just show you what I've earned so far, okay? So this is my back office here. This is all time. So within a week of getting started, I earned my first $900. I was in profit because I get 100% commissions paid directly to me, okay? And then a couple of days later, I broke even, and a couple of days later, I was in profit because I earned an extra $300. So you can see this here. I've been able to generate 236 leads, but I've been able to generate more than this, but we're taught to clean up our list every week and all that, right? So not only am I building my list, I'm actually getting paid to build my email list, and I'm actually learning valuable skills. And speaking of valuable skills, what I absolutely love about this is that the skills I learn here, even though I'm choosing to use them to promote this program that pays me 100% commission, and this program that's teaching me the skills, I can use it to market anything I want, right? Anything I choose, I can use the skills. Once I learn the skills, I can't unlearn them, right? I absolutely love that fact. The last thing I love is I love our community, right? Because my experience offline, in my offline world, I'm not surrounded by supportive people who are like pushing me on, encouraging me, inspiring me to actually chase my dreams and build this business. It's actually the opposite, right? I'm surrounded by people who are happy to exchange their time for money, and just spend the days moaning and complaining about not being overworked and underpaid, right? So I love the fact that we have a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are there to support me, lift me up, inspire me, motivate me within the community and even outside the community. So let me share this community with you to show you what it looks like, okay? So this is the community here. I'm just going to close this. And I'm going to go to the members, right? So we have 39,000 members in our community right here, right? 39,342 members. This here is the schedule, the calendar for our live coaching and mentorship. On Tuesday this week, our millionaire mentor talked to us about how she went from zero experience, zero money, zero following, zero technical skills, to earning her first $1 million in 17 months, right? So she's put together an ebook and the video as well. And I love that she shared a lot of mindset as well as skill set, right? Here, and by the way, you have to set up your system once, but if you're struggling to do that, or we have step-by-step instructions, you can always attend our live coaching tech support calls, where you can unmute yourself, ask questions, and get the support that you need, right? And we have that on Thursday as well. We have those tech support. And then we have mentoring. Tim is a father of 5 children who worked for the same company for 25 years in corporate America. He gave it everything, and one day they called him to say his services were no longer required. So he went around trying to get another job in corporate America, but then something kept telling him no. He was 55 at the time. He clearly didn't want to put himself in that situation again. So he found our opportunity, and he's gone on to earn 6 figures, right? So he is one of the 6-figure mentors that comes on and teaches us exactly what he's done and what he's doing now, okay? Very, very powerful. So this is where you get access to that live coaching and interactive mentorship sessions. And then here, we have, this is a bonus site, by the way. We have this 90-day success sprint that every day our millionaire mentor sends us a video. Sometimes she's talking about mindset, other times she's talking about skill set. And in those videos, she's just walking through us exactly how to keep us motivated, how to keep us going, right? So day 60 to day 90, we're on day 66 today. We're actually focusing on getting 1,000 subscribers to our YouTube channel, right? And not only does she give us the skills to do that, we actually, as a community, work together to help each other subscribe to each other's channels, like, comment, watch the videos. So we're getting support within the community and outside the community as well. Again, so if I just share with you the wins in our community here, and just share with you what I get inspired on a daily basis of what's going on in here. So, we're going to focus on this week, right? Let's see what happened this week. Maria, 14 hours ago, got a $900 ding. Such a blessing to be able to change another life, because exactly that's what this program does. It changes people's lives. Lizelle, 24 hours, she smashed 10K in 12 days. That means she made more than a K a day, right? No, she made less than a K a day. So 10K in 10 days. So 10K in 12 days, just a little less than 12K, a little less than K, $1,000 per day, right? The 12 days of September, I've already made $10,000 with my automated online business. Congratulations, Lizelle. She's based in South Africa. That's a lot of money, okay? Daryl, 18 hours ago, said, had another $900 commission while doing the laundry, right? A little under 10K for the month. So Daryl and Lizelle are just around the 10K month, just 12 days, 13 days into September, which is absolutely amazing. Victoria yesterday said $3,100 day. Man, it feels good, right? Funny story. My husband knows I'm very incentive driven, so she goes on to share a funny story. And then Jessica Cox says 17 hours ago, she goes, I thought this was a scam. I honestly did not think this kind of money was in the path for me, right? Let's see if she shares any money there. Let's see more. Oh, she's on the brink of 200,000 in less than a year, right? She went from thinking this was a scam to on the brink of earning $200,000 in less than a year, okay? Could be South African rands, should be dollar, depending on where she's based. She looks like it's America, but we do have some South Africans as well. And then Alana, 24 hours ago, finally got my new car. Praise our Most High. I had my car repossessed many years ago because I'm a single mom. I could not keep up with the car payments, right? I will never ever forget the look my daughter's face when the gentleman drove off with our car. She did not understand what was happening, and I felt like a worthless mom. I literally had times when I thought my kids would be better off without me. Ooh. Oh, if you want to see the car, she has a link here to see the car. I literally got shivers there. So let's have a look at this car. Congratulations. Well done. I'm shivering and my eyes are watering. Congratulations. That is so inspiring. I know what it's like to feel worthless as a mom, not being able to provide for your children, right? So my internet is acting up, but I'll stay here so you don't go like, oh, did you do something? This is in real time. Okay. Come on, internet. Let's see the car. Let's see the car. Show us the car. What should I do while waiting for the car? I'll pause this, I suppose, and come back. Should I refresh this, see what happens? Come on, car. Yeah, there we go. How long is this video? 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Let's see, is the car in the video somewhere? Oh, here we go. Whoa, like, and comment. Congratulations. Okay, I'm actually recording a video now. Okay, but yeah, wow. Okay, no better place to end than there, right? Because this is the power of what we have here. So if you are sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you're hungry to change your financial situation, then I want to invite you to actually click the link below to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. I've shown you there where there's some leaders making 10K in 12 days, like, right? It's absolutely amazing. I'm not saying that you will do it. It's up to you what you choose to do with this program, but we do have a proven step-by-step blueprint that hundreds and hundreds of people are using to make money online. So when I will send you the guide via email, right, make sure you check your email, because I will give you access to a free version of our private members only community where you can connect with like-minded people, see more testimonials, get a feel of what we're all about. Please respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision, because what we have is not for everybody. You have to be hungry, okay? You gotta be hungry. You gotta be coachable. You gotta be teachable. You gotta be willing to follow simple step-by-step instructions. You gotta be willing to commit to a 2-hour workday focused on income producing activities. You got to be willing to spend time and money to learn the skills and apply those skills to help you build the business, right? Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.